Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Zero Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top, swipe down. This will give us all the toggles right here, and hopefully we can see our screen recording somewhere here. Now it looks like it might not be added by default. Let's see if we can edit switches right here. And as you can see, it's one of the disabled ones. So let's press on the plus. This will get automatically added. Now we can go back. And we have the toggle accessible in our toggles right here. So let's click on it. And as you can see, it automatically starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the phone. And once you're done with it, you can just click here, select once more the square. This will give us a couple options right here as well. So once you stop it, it gives us the record folder with the recordings, settings, and close option. Now under settings, I have a couple of things associated with the quality of your recording. So most important one would be the picture quality, which is set to 720p for some stupid reason. So I recommend changing it to 1080p at least. And you can also show tops, which means whatever you press the display while recording, it will show a semi-transparent gray dot on the recording, which might be a little bit distracting sometimes. And you can also record microphone sounds if you want to. So anyway, that is how you record and customize the settings right here. And once you're done recording, you can find the actual recording itself in your Photos application. As you can see, screen recorder, and I believe this is this one. Yep. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.